Why opt for carpet steam cleaning right before Christmas? If you want to make your carpet look attractive, you need to hire the best Melbourne carpet steam cleaners. You can find them at Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne. You should opt for this type of cleaning since 1. Steam can get rid of dirt and dust from carpets quickly. 2. Steam cleaning can be completed quickly. 3. Steam cleaning is an eco-friendly process. 4. Steam cleaning can also eliminate odors. So, to book Melbourne carpet cleaners carrying out steam cleaning, we are awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. Call now 039000 5250. Mail at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us, bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.